This is a woman in science who you probably haven't heard of. Her name? Lise Meitner. Look along the bottom row of a standard periodic table, and at number 109 you'll find meitnerium. It's one of just 2 elements that have been named after women, the other being named after Marie Curie. Lise Meitner was born in Vienna in Austria in 1878. She excelled at maths and science from an early age, but she was advised to pursue another career because she was a woman. Lise did her own thing. She became only the second woman to obtain a doctoral degree in physics from the University of Vienna. She was also the first woman to become a professor of physics in Germany. As a woman working in Berlin, Lise was denied access to the university's laboratories. The German chemist Otto Hahn helped to find a loophole that enabled Lise to contribute to research. The ban didn't apply to Otto Hahn's improvised radiochemistry lab, which was in a converted basement with a separate entrance. She studied radioactivity there as an assistant and was able to follow her passion for a while. Despite her intelligence and expertise, it wasn't until the age of 35 that Lise was first paid a salary. In 1923, Lise Meitner discovered the Auger effect, which is named after Pierre Victor Auger, a French man who discovered the effect independently 2 years later. Because she was Jewish, Lise left Nazi Germany in the summer of 1938 to settle in Sweden. When she fled Germany, her passport became invalid and she had to travel undercover. She later said that she left Germany with only 10 marks in her purse. Lise was often laughed at for being a smart woman. Her inaugural lecture on radioactivity and cosmic physics was reported in the press as being about cosmetic physics. Lise co-discovered fission, the basis of nuclear technology, and she actually coined the term fission as well. She was not awarded the Nobel Prize for this work. A man was. Lise's exclusion from the Nobel Prize was later described as a result of the mixture of disciplinary bias, political obtuseness, ignorance, and haste. But Lise did obtain many other scientific honours eventually. Lise continued to contribute to research well into her 70s, and she passed away in 1968 at the age of 89. Lise is now buried in the grounds of a parish church in Hampshire in the UK. Her tombstone bears the inscription, "A physicist who never lost her humanity." Lise Meitner overcame many challenges and heavily contributed to the scientific pursuit of knowledge. Thanks to her early work on fission, we now have nuclear energy. Nuclear energy has displaced a significant amount of carbon emissions between the years 2000 and 2020 alone. Substituting fossil fuels for nuclear energy have been calculated to have saved as many as 42 million lives. The full life of this incredible woman and everything she achieved is too much to fully share here, but I hope I piqued your interest about the incredible physicist Lise Meitner.